So two-dimensional array. So what is a two-dimensional array? Now we'll have a look into it. Okay. So first we'll see the declaration syntax, how to, sorry. First we will see the declaration syntax of a two-dimensional array. So how it is declared. So first you write the data type and then the array name. Okay. Then this two for two-dimensional is equal to new, and then data type, then you have the row size, then you have column size. Okay. So for example, let's say int that you have data type, you are giving the array name as a, okay, is equal to new, sorry, is equal to new int, this is the row size, the column size. Let's say you have given 3 the row size and 4 as the column size. Now we'll see visually what we are trying to say. Let's say this is what we are seeing is the memory diagram. How does it look? So this is a, which has now 3 rows, okay, and each one will contain 4 elements. Each one will contain 4 elements because the size is 3 row and 4 columns. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will contain 3 rows. This is nothing but a. This is a. This is a0. This is a1, and this is a2. Okay, so it is having 3 rows, and each row is having 4 columns in it. This is the first, second, third, fourth. Similarly for these things. Okay, so now we will see practically how we can write a multi-dimensional array. Okay, just clear the output from my initial programs. Okay, so what I have done, I have created this class array2dim. Inside this main method we would be creating a two-dimensional array. Okay, so what I will do is int a is equal to new int. Here we'll give the row size as 3, the column size as 4. Now we'll do what we will do is create 2 for loops. Okay, so this will contain what we are doing now is we are filling the values in this array. So this is for the row int I is equal to 0, then I less than a dot length, and I is incremented. Okay, then for column we'll take the variable j is 0, then j is less than, what we will do now, we want the column size. How to get that? A of I, it means we'll take any of this. Let's say a of I, first it will be 0, then 1, 2. Okay, so let's say a of 0 dot length will give you the number of columns in it. So this dot length will give you the number of columns in it. Then j plus plus. Okay, now what we will do is we'll put the values. Okay, in this I is row, j is column. We'll just add I plus j, put the values in it. Okay, done. Now what we can do is to get the values, to print the values, again we'll have 2 for loops. Again we'll iterate through the rows and column. Int I is equal to 0 and I less than a dot length. Okay, and then I plus plus. Again for columns, int j is equal to 0, j less than a of I, okay, dot length, then j plus plus. Now what we can do, we can just print this. Okay, a of ij, what we can do, a of I and then j. Now what we can do, instead of printing this, let's first print the value. So we are seeing this in each and every line. so we cannot understand it clearly. So what we will do is we will print in the same line, and then what we can do is we can append with the tab. Okay, we can append it with the tab, so this will print. Now just for each row it will print in this line. Now for new rows, for columns, for new rows, what we can do is we can create a new line and then we can run it. Okay, now if we run it, we see that okay, this is a 3 by 4 matrix, 3 columns, and you have first columns, first row, second row, third row, and then this is the first, second, third, and fourth column. Now let's say if you want to create a 4 by 4, you can do that, just 4 by 4, and save it and then run it. See, it will give you 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 columns and 4 rows. Similarly, if you want to change this to 2 by 2, 2 row 2 column, you can do that. Okay, 2 by 2, save it and run it. See, you are getting it. So this is what we have seen is a 2-dimensional array. I hope you understand this. Please go through this and practice. This will, you will get a clear understanding of it.